Body and members. Take some wool and roll it into a cocoon. Try the head on the body, and make sure their sizes are good. Add some more wool to the body if needed. However, start with a small amount of wool or you risk ending up with a felted body that is too big if the head is too small for it. It will be complicated, or even impossible to remove the excess wool. If the body seems too small, you can always make it bigger by adding some wool. Attach the head to the body. Try to poke the needle into the wool in the direction of the foam. Make sure your fingers are away from the poking area. The bunny's head and body should touch only the foam block. Take a wisp of wool to make the front legs. Wet your hand with water and roll the wool into a tube. Then fold it in half and cut with scissors. Felt firmly the ends of the front legs. If the front legs are a bit short, you can add some wool. Make sure the size of the front legs fits the body. Choose their position and secure the shapes to the body. Now, you need to add some volume on the bunny's chest. Take the fur, pull it out in the form of a strip and lay it over the body. Make the back legs. They should be longer than the front legs. Do the same as you did for the front legs. Roll the wool into a tube, fold it in half and cut with scissors. Start felting the back legs. Add wool as you go if needed. Bend the leg to form the arch. Attach the back legs on the body. You should secure them so that they will be in line with the body, and your bunny doesn't fall. The bunny will have 3 support points, 2 back legs and the tail. If you position the back legs too low, there will be a long distance between the bunny's body and the surface, so the tail won't support the bunny because it will be too high on the body. And if the bunny sits on the back legs, it will lean on its tail. After you have secured the back legs, you should add volume on the upper part of the back legs, for both of them. Take a few fibers, roll and stab them. Look at the bunny's shape size. If it isn't rounded enough at the bottom, add some more wool. Pull out the fibers in the form of a strip and lay it over the bottom like in the video. Then take a wisp of the white wool and stab it on the chest. Pay attention to the front legs. Make a bend. Simply bend the leg and stab it with the needle. The bend will be secured. Tail and nose. Take gray wool and roll it firmly. Stab all over the tail, rotating as you go, leaving only one end loose. When the tail is firm enough, attach it to the bunny. Put the bunny with its tail on the surface and find its stable position. Secure the tail with your fingers and slightly stab it. Put the bunny on the surface again to make sure the tail is well placed and the bunny sits firmly and doesn't fall. Secure the tail. Add white fur. Nose. Make a small ball from light pink fibers and position it on the muzzle. Stab the needle into the pink ball, pressing the pink wool upon the muzzle with your finger. The firmer you press wools against each other, the easier it will be to stab afterwards. Always watch your fingers and stab with the needle slowly. The nose is completed when you are satisfied with it. Check the bunny on all sides. Add wool if needed. Stab a bit where the legs bend. The bunny must be soft and squeezy. You can also turn the bunny's head to the side if you want to. This will give the figure some mobility. Or add a little gift for your bunny to hold, such as a flower or a willow branch.